Hey guys, welcome back to the Faithful Farmer Momma. My name is Nikki and we are headed to a friend's house today to go help her with a project. While we're all stuck at home, this actually will help give her some more outdoor space and just a great place to entertain. Thanks for being here today. Hope you enjoy our project. Before we go anywhere on our trip, I'm going to ask you to go down below, find the subscribe button, along with the little bell. Make sure you click those because you won't want to miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That actually helps as well. It lets me know what content you're interested in and if you've actually enjoyed this video. So let's get going. We are headed to Texas this morning, going down to do an outdoor project with a friend of ours, with a little social distancing, of course, because we are still all kind of quarantined here. But it's a good way to help her get some outdoor living space, and we're going to go help her with that project. So the trip between our home and our friend's home in Texas takes about an hour and 40 minutes. One of the things I love most about this trip is a lot of it is back roads, and then the other half of it is major highway, but the diversity of land changes in this trip is just so amazing to me. We go from country, cows, hills and green to farmlands where there are big major farm companies, and then to mountains in the background. It is just the most amazing drive. The mountain that you see in the background here is called Mount Scott. It is part of the Wichita Wildlife Refuge. This is the bridge going into Texas and the Red River. When we lived here, this river used to actually be all dry. Looks good now. So when we got to our friends, her and her mother had already accomplished some of the pavers, but my husband here is going to help them put on tin roof over the patio. So he's measuring and cutting and fitting the tin on top. He made sure everything was very stable before adding. This is my girl. She came out to see the doggies. While trying to flatten everything out, my husband found an old post for an old awning, and it was so deep in there, it took him a good long while to finally get it out. He then edged where the edge of the pavers would go to make sure that there was a nice sharp edge to hold them in. Cleaned out all the excess dirt and debris. Pour a little bit of gravel and smooth it out flat. We leveled it with a 2x4 just to make sure that it was totally flat. And then started laying pavers. My friend wanted these adorable red pavers around the edge to kind of enclose the area. It made the best edging ever. They looked so beautiful. These pavers are actually 16 inches compared to the 12-inch white ones that where my husband was standing. So in order to make it look very professional, my husband used a diamond blade to cut around where the pavers would go around the poles to kind of make them totally fit around the pole. And there were a few places that we had to actually cut the tile to fit them in around existing concrete that was already laid on the house. Look how beautiful, guys. Well, guys, that's it for today. It has been a long day. We have worked very hard and put in a beautiful back porch for a friend of ours on her patio with pavers and lots of carrying and digging and fixing and flattening. It's just been absolutely wonderful. Thanks for joining us today, and don't be afraid to try this stuff for yourself. It's so much easier than you would really think it is. Excuse the motorcycle in the background. And it makes such a beautiful effect for minimal amount of money. It's just been the best experience ever. So thanks for being here today, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. See you next time.